Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete page borders in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you added a border by mistake or simply want a cleaner document design, this tutorial will help you remove it. First, open Microsoft Word on your laptop and open the document that contains the page border. Next, go to the top dashboard and click on the Design tab. Then, look for the Page Borders option and click on it to open the Borders and Shading window. After that, in the Page Border section, choose the None option to remove the border from your document. Finally, click on OK to save the changes and the page border will disappear immediately from your Word document. I hope this video helped you learn how to delete page borders in Microsoft Word easily and quickly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.